Malachi, he can look over here. There's less kids over here.
Go, Malachi, run.
Go.
I might drop some.
Malachi. You're just walking past them.
Here, come here, we'll do a jump. Come here. We'll do a mid-game jump, come on.
Not you, Malachi. Boo-boo, take yours, not give them back.
Oh, get some more. Malachi, find the egg, boy. You guys got to hunt for them. There's some that are hidden, too.
Yeah, I see some that are like right in plain sight.
You got to hunt. That's what it's all about. Look around, Malachi. Look hard.
You don't have to go where everybody else is going.
See, they're hidden.
They go all the way back to here. Malachi, Bryce, Anna, they go all the way back here on.
Yeah, you got to look everywhere. Bryce, come here. You want to dump an egg? Come on. Look, you got to look all around.
This isn't an egg. I'm just saying. There's some over there, baby. There's a lot over there.
Go that way. Yeah, baby. You got to look for them. They're everywhere.
I do. Everybody's baskets are getting full.
They're everywhere.
Here, Malachi, you can put some in my pocket. Where's her basket?
Who?
Kylie's. Direct her.
Come on, girl. Come over here. Hey, Kylie. Come here.
She doesn't have anything to put hers in.
Where's her SpongeBob basket?
Her pockets are full. Her pockets are already full.
Yeah, she only has one hand left.
Put them in her hood.
Here. Okay, go get another one. Oh, yeah, that's a smart idea. I got it. Malachi, you're dropping them. Nah, I'm going to put her in her hood.
Have you seen Zach with the pinwheels?
No.
He loves them.
Come on.
I want to take a picture of all the kids before anybody leaves, too.
Hey, man, I still see him all over the place. Oh, wow.
I see a cracked egg.
Right. Go this way. Go straight that way. Now time.